So this is the question that I'm always being asked for. Paano ba magbenta ng paper products, whether ito man ay in digital format or in physical products? So in this video, I'll teach you a simple way to figure out what to sell, who to sell it to, and how to start your selling paper products journey. Hi everyone! I'm Emmy Grace and welcome to Graceful Homeschooling. I'm a homeschooling mompreneur na kumikita habang nasa bahay. So nung nagsimula ako, I didn't know anything about the business. I just made learning materials para sa homeschool namin. Pero nung nalaman ko kung sino ang market ko, ano ang needs nila at paano ako makakatulong, that's when everything changed. Kaya today, I'm sharing this with all of you. So paano ba tayo magbebenta ng mga paper products? Number one is you have to identify your market. And this answers the question, who? First, i-figure out mo muna yung ideal customers mo. Bago ka gumawa ng kahit na anong product, you have to ask yourself, who will benefit from my products? Sila ba ay mga students, mga professionals, mga teachers, educators, or creatives? Ano yung age group and demographic do they belong to? So ako, I create for homeschooling moms, teachers, and mommy entrepreneurs. Kasi yon yung kilala ko. And I understand their needs, struggles, and yung mga routines nila at mga ginagawa nila sa kanilang buhay at sa ating bahay. So kapag kilala mo ang market mo, madali mong maipakilala kung paano sila matutulungan ng product mo. Number two ay look for your market's needs and problems. At ito naman yung nag-answer ng question na what. Understand what your target market needs and the problems they face. So pwede mong itanong itong mga sumusunod. What challenges do they face that your products can solve? Are they looking for organization, creativity ba, motivation, or educational tools? And how can your product make their life easier or more enjoyable? So ito yung examples natin. So ito yung mga moms na gustong ma-organize yung araw nila at yung mga ginagawa nila sa kanilang mga bahay at sa kanilang buhay. Teachers na gusto ng mga printable worksheets, or kaya naman para sa mga creatives who want a beautiful space to reflect and write. So always remember, needs equals opportunities. So kapag nakita mo ang problema nila, you can create the perfect solution. At ito yung number 3 natin. Provide solutions. And this answers the question, how? So once you know your market's needs and problems, position your product as the perfect solution. So position mo lang yung product mo like this. So for example, planners, help them stay organized and productive. Yung mga journals naman, inspire creativity and personal growth. Yung mga learning materials ay nakapag-enhance ito ng mga educational experiences para sa mga bata. So showcase mo lang yung product's unique features and benefits that address their specific needs. So now, let's do a quick recap. So una, identify mo yung market mo, or it answers the question, who? Dahil kapag malinaw ang who, malinaw din kung kanino ka nagsasalita. Pangalawa, alamin mo kung ano ang needs nila kasi every need is an opportunity to serve. And third, ay provide a solution. Ipakita mo paano mo sila matutulungan through your planners, journals, or learning tools that give them real value. So, gusto mo magbenta ng planners pero ayaw mo namang magsimula from scratch, meron ako sa inyong good news. Meron tayong planner bundle sale na ginagawa sa Graceful Homeschooling. So, ito ay meron itong editable Canva templates na ready to sell na. Perfect ito kung gusto mo ng shortcut sa product creation. Hindi mo na kailangan pang mag-create from scratch. Meron na itong ready designs na i-edit mo na lang. And also, meron itong license to resell. And meron ka ding mga marketing assets na pwede mo lang i-post yung mga pictures at yung mga ready-to-post captions natin. So yan yung ating planner bundle sale. So meron tayong Exceeding Joy na journal planner for moms. Meron din tayong daily planner at meron ding Celebrating Gratitude for kids. So mag-comment ka lang ng bundle below or check the description. At lagi nating tandaan that selling is not just about income or kita, but it's about solving real problems for real people. So thank you so much for joining me, and I hope na natulungan ko kayo dito sa video na to kung paano kayo magbebenta ng inyong mga paper products. And please, don't forget to subscribe. I-click nyo lang yung subscribe button at i-turn on yung notification bell for more videos like this. Marami akong videos dito about paano tayo kikita habang nasa bahay. Thank you so much, and I hope that I'll see you again on my next one. God bless everyone, and I will see you around. Bye!